This is Kavita with a difference. After marriage for the first time interview అనుకుంటాను కదా.
I sometimes forget
You got married another? Oh, why so?
because there's so much happening mana ipudu it's not a normal time. I wish things were normal, then the honeymoon period would have been a long one, but I didn't get time to celebrate it.
Okay.
I didn't.
So, could you see any difference in before marriage, after marriage, అలాంటిది ఏమైనా difference
The
కనిపించిందా?
first condition to get married from both sides, Vishnu and me, was like nothing will change. We
Okay.
both are very goal oriented, and he's also, working. He's an actor, and he's got his work, and I have my work to look after. So, I hope nothing has changed, except of course, now we have extended families, both sides. But apart from that, I think from both, there's not much.
Since you have an academy, ఇక్కడ ఒక అకాడమీ పెట్టుకున్న తర్వాత when you announced you are going to get married అన్న తర్వాత what was the immediate reaction ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి పిల్లలు వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి వచ్చిన రియాక్షన్ ఏంటి?
They were very happy that we'll have a party, but I couldn't call them. I was really disappointed. I think this is my extended family, and I was very disappointed that I couldn't make them a part of my wedding. Just because of COVID. I was very disappointed actually. I really wish they could be a part of my wedding.
ఆ తర్వాత మరి ఇక్కడే ఉంటుందా అకాడమీ, ఇక్కడ నుంచి షిఫ్ట్ చేస్తారా, వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్ నెక్స్ట్ అనేది అలా డౌట్స్ ఏం రాలేదా?
No doubt at all. They know I'm 100% dedicated to them, and they know they have my 100% support.
ఇప్పుడు లైక్ ఐ హావ్ గాన్ త్రూ వన్ ట్విట్టర్ స్పేస్ రీసెంట్లీ మీతో ఆర్గనైజ్ చేసినటువంటి దేర్ ఈస్ అ డౌట్.
It was not organized. I always heard about spaces, then I know Panster.
Okay.
So I thought, okay, let me విందాం అనుకున్నా. వింటుంటే నేను అనుకోలే వాళ్ళు నన్ను చూసేస్తారని. సో ఐ వాజ్ లైక్ ఓకే చలో ఇప్పుడు
జాయిన్ అయిపోదాం.
అయిపోదాం.
అందులో వన్ గై వాజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ జ్వాల ఎక్కడున్నారు మీరు ఇప్పుడు, స్టిల్ దేర్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్ అనేది. అంటే ఇప్పటికి ఒక డౌట్స్ వస్తున్నాయి కదా, పెళ్ళైన తర్వాత జ్వాల హైదరాబాద్లో ఉందా చెన్నైలో ఉందా అనేది.
బట్ దేర్ విల్ బి అ ట్రావెల్, లాట్ ఆఫ్ ట్రావెల్ ఫ్రమ్ మై సైడ్ అండ్ హిస్ సైడ్. బట్ మేము వీఆర్ యూస్ టు ట్రావెలింగ్ కదా, సో ఐ థింక్ ఇట్స్ ఓకే.
సో తనేమో ఉంది
ఇక్కడ కొంచెం అక్కడ.
యా, విష్ణు ఉందేమో ఫిల్మ్స్లో, మీరుందేమో స్పోర్ట్స్. ఇక్కడ ఒక పెద్ద అకాడమీ పెట్టుకున్నారు, బ్యాడ్మింటన్, కంప్లీట్ లైఫ్ స్టైల్స్ అనేవి ఇవన్నీ డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటాయి కదా, ఎలా కోపప్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు?
No, it's but the goals are same. Hard work is, I think he works more hard because వాళ్ళకి నైట్ షిఫ్ట్ ఉంటుంది. Sometimes they have to stay awake the whole night and they have to sleep in the day. It's very crazy. Goals are same. We want to be the best in our own fields, and just working style koncham different ante. But I think as long as you respect what each other are doing, I don't think it's difficult to not to understand. You will understand what he's doing, and he will understand what I'm doing.
ఎస్. సో పర్సనల్గా అయితే కొంచెం గ్రేస్ ఇన్ ద డిస్గైజ్ అంటారు, అందులో కొంచెం హ్యాపీ మూమెంట్స్ అని చెప్పుకోవాలి, కొంచెం మెమరబుల్ మూమెంట్ కదా.
మెమరబుల్ ఉండింది. దాంతో పాటు బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్లో ఒక భయం కూడా. వెన్ యూ హ్యావింగ్ అ 50% గ్యాదరింగ్ ఆర్ 20% ఒక్కళ్ళైనా ఇన్ఫెక్ట్ అయితే you don't feel good about it kada. So we took a lot of care. Thankfully nobody got infected, and I wish I could have more of my friends joining this. Many of them tried also, because I kept RT-PCR test mandatory.
అది పెట్టారు కదా mandatory.
I kept it mandatory because I didn't want to. It was my duty again. I had to, because I have my old, we have old people coming also to my Nanama Chindi, she's 96, so I had to take that, and then Vishnu's side also, you know, we had elderly people coming in, so we had to take that precaution. It was mandatory. Whether it was my 3-year-old, my friend's son, everybody got tested.
Yes. Any change after marriage అనేది అడుగుదాం అనుకున్నాను, బట్ యూ సెడ్ నో చేంజ్ ఎట్ ఆల్ అనేది.
As if now, don't know. After 1 year, he might say, "You're my wife. Come here." So
Come to Chennai and settle there అంటారా?
So I don't know. As if now it's been good. See, we have not gotten time to even discuss the wedding because of the COVID, you know. So, and I was feeling very guilty, and actually I wanted to cancel the whole program also because I was very disturbed by the way the second wave came in, and so many young people dying, and so many helplessness, and you know, hospital bed dorkadam, dorkakpodam. It was like you'll never expect such things in your country where you are like it's all good, it's all fine, you know, but there was no people dying of people not dying of COVID, people were dying of lack of
oxygen,
medical
medicines.
assistance, you know. And I was not able to take it, and I was feeling very guilty, and it was that's why I did not post many pictures also after the wedding. I just waited. I said I cannot post any pictures ఇప్పుడు.
విష్ణు విశాల్ గారు ఆస్క్ తమిళ్ మూవీలో కావచ్చు, లేకపోతే తెలుగులో కావచ్చు, ఎక్కడైనా ఒక గెస్ట్ రోల్ లేకుంటే ఒక సాంగ్ కోసం ఒక బెట్ తనతో కలిసి, వేరే ఇంకెవరితో కోస్టార్స్ కాకుండా తనతోనే కలిసి ఒక బెట్.
No, I'll not do it. No.
అప్పుడు కూడా చెప్పేస్తారా? ఇఫ్ హీ ఆస్క్ డైరెక్టర్ ఆర్ ప్రొడ్యూసర్,
what the answer will be. So I'll not do it. I'm not comfortable. Yeah.
నెవర్.
No.
ఓకే, ముందే డిసైడ్ అయిపోయారు.
He knows that.
Okay.
You know. See, there are a lot of personality traits which I have to accept of his, because me and him are of same age, 36 years. We've lived a certain way. Now I cannot ask him to suddenly change for me, and I'm sure he cannot expect the same from me.
ఇప్పుడు విష్ణు విశాల్ గారు ఈజ్ ఇన్ చెన్నై కదా, అక్కడే ఉన్నారు.
Right now I'm in Chennai.
ఏదైనా ఒక సడన్గా ఒక పాట, తెలుగులో ఒక పాటో లేకుంటే ఏదైనా ఒకటి గుర్తొచ్చింది, ఒక మెమరీలో ఎప్పుడైనా గుర్తొస్తుంది, మిస్సింగ్ అనుకున్నప్పుడు ఏమనిపిస్తుంది? నాకైతే ఒక పాట ఏదో ఒక తెలుగులో గుర్తు, నువ్వక్కడ నేను ఇక్కడ.
అవునా? విష్ణు not really. I don't know.
మిస్సింగ్ అనేది కూడా ఏం ఫీల్ అనిపించింది?
Missing, of course you miss him. Of course, you know, you would think that if he was here. But you know, we both are so busy. Like before Vishnu also, I was giving 8 to 10 hours physically in badminton, and then you come back and then you want to sleep. So you know, you're used to a certain routine, and then of course you wish he lived in the same city, but I have to also accept that.
But what he says, the same thing.
He wants me to. He tells no, I have shoot now. I will, you know, I'll be very busy. I'm like, okay, be busy, you know. The next day, okay, when are you coming? When are you coming? When are you coming? So I think he misses me more than I miss him.
Okay.
But what do we say? We just plan our dates. That's it. That's it. We are not very filmy. I'm not filmy.
Okay.
Not at all. I'm not at all filmy. I'm not that romantic kind also. I don't think I'm very romantic.
You have posted a pic saying like we danced.
Yeah. I didn't want to put a normal wedding picture. You know, I wanted to. Yeah, we danced.
Okay.
We danced because we celebrated with our friends and close friends and family, and I hope we dance forever. I didn't want to say the normal thing, because we are not normal couple. Yes. You know, and I wanted to set an example, I guess. I don't know. I just felt that I wanted to post something different.